Keeping your AirPods case clean is essential for maintaining the appearance and performance of your Apple Gear. To clean the case, start by wiping down the exterior with a soft, dry microfiber cloth to remove lint, dirt, and wax. Avoid using abrasive materials to prevent scratching. For tougher grime, dampen the cloth with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and gently rub the debris, being careful to avoid the charging port. Use cotton swabs possibly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to remove dirt from the outside of the case. For the lightning port, use a dry, soft, bristled brush with gentle movements. Avoid putting anything in the charging ports to prevent damage. Clean the grooves on the top of the case using a lightly dampened swab and remove stubborn grime with a plastic or wooden toothpick. Additionally, you can use tape or a soft eraser to remove dirt, lint, and wax buildup. Afterward, wipe down the case with a microfiber cloth for a finishing polish. To clean the AirPods themselves, wipe them carefully and use a toothbrush to remove debris from the grills. Place the AirPods back in the charging case when finished.